and now I can't get back to them.
So that means you want to give up? You never supposed to give up.
Oh no, where am I? The train station. Where's my mom, my dad, and my brother? Oh no, where is everybody? I'm so lonely. I'm scared. What I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna give up. I give up. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna sit here.
You can't give up, little girl.
Who said that?
I did. I'm Thomas the Train.
Where are you?
Over here.
Where?
Get up and walk over this way.
Okay. You a train that can talk?
Yes. What is your name, little girl?
Melanie.
Well, hey, Melanie.
Well, I lost my family and now I can't get back to them.
So that means you want to give up? You never supposed to give up.
But I can't find my family.
That don't make you give up.
I'm missing my mom, my dad, my sister, and my brother.
That don't mean you give up. I'm the little engine that could, and I don't never give up. So you can't either.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do?
You can ride with me to get to your family.
Yay! Hooray!
Now hop on.
Okay. Yay! I'm gonna find my family.
Hold on.
Okay.
I think I can.
No time to speed. I know I can. I can.
You're right, Melanie. We can. Choo-choo. Hold on.
Ah! Oh. Whoa. Okay, I'll just hold on to the pole.
Okay, we have a ride. I think that's your family right here.
Where? There you go. You're right. Dad, here I am.
Hi, Melanie. There you go. Yay!
The point of this video is you never supposed to give up. I hope you like my skit. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, link down below. Hit the bell. Bye.
Oh, I know I can. Thank you for watching.
Bye.